All right, so one side's down. And I'm doing the other side. And this is a 2007 Toyota Yaris. It's good for Toyota Camry, Toyota Corolla, Highlanders, all that. Okay, so to take these rotor retaining bolts off, or caliper retaining bolts, you're gonna want to have a 14. Some people use a wrench right here to hold it, but most of the time you don't need to. So take these off, set the caliper on top of the rotor. You may need a pry bar sometimes, depends how long you haven't in your brakes, and you're gonna want to push the piston back in. There's a lot of different tools. I have a lot of different ones. I just use a simple C-clamp. It's really easy and fast. Takes like 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes to do the whole brake job. So you're gonna take the old brake pad, put it behind the caliper, a piston, and then compress it. Okay, so the longest part of this job is taking out the hardware, putting new hardware. There's 8 in total, 4 on each side. After that, you're gonna want to lubricate the caliper slide bolts with brake grease, or else you're gonna be doing the job again. So you could also use this time to inspect the piston. There's a seal inside of it, and if it's leaking a lot, then you're gonna want to possibly change your piston out, or the whole entire caliper. Just look at your suspension, the end links. Ooh. Buddy, I'm gonna do the oil change. Filter's right there. Drain plug is right here. So I got my oil filter tool. This oil filter is really loose, so I could just do it by hand. So this is the old oil filter. This is the new one. You can go and clean that up right there. There's a new filter. You just want to get it on hand tight. Then clean off any excess oil. Alright. It's nice and tight. Now we can finish off cleaning any extra oil that spilled off. And I'm going to do the drain plug, which is right there. For the drain plug, you're going to need a 15. This drain plug is really loose, so is the oil filter. The client said they got it done at Jiffy Lube. I wouldn't recommend going there. Just do it yourself. So we're gonna drain this off, and we're gonna add some full synthetic 5W30 oil. So now I'm just doing a final tightening. Of the drain pull plug. You know what, this one's actually a 14 too. No. Yeah, it is a 14. bucket. That's tight enough. And clean off any old oil. Now we're gonna put the new oil. Okay, just added the oil. And next I'm gonna do the air filter, which is really easy. What we do is take this tab off, this tab, lift it up, pull it out, and put the new one in.